Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Adam.
Welcome to Daily English Podcast. Adam, can you believe it? We are finally here.
Hi, yes, and finally. But I notice you're especially electric today. Well, more than usual.
It's because today isn't just any day. Let's see, Adam. Do you know why today is special?
Did you buy the good coffee? Or are you finally going to tell me where you hid my keys?
No, silly. Today is the official launch of our mini podcast. We are live.
That's true. The first episode. Wow. Hello, everyone. I'm Adam, and she is Anne, the most enthusiastic person I know.
Exactly. And for this first episode, we want you to get to know us. We want to talk about ourselves. We want to be your friends.
I think that's a great idea. Do you want to start, Anne? Tell us something about yourself.
All right. I'm Anne. I'm a very curious person. I love learning new things every day.
That's true. You're always reading something different.
Yes, I'm passionate about getting to know new cultures. I also love cats. I have a small cat at home. Oh, and I really like the calm and comfort of my home.
Wow, it's true. Your house is very cozy. I prefer dogs, but I understand why you like cats.
Thanks, Adam. Oh, by the way, cozy means that you are comfortable and you like being in that place.
Exactly. It's just a place that helps you rest after a long day of work.
Yes, and learning English should be comfortable and fun. That's why we are here. Now it's your turn. Who is Adam?
Well, I'm Adam. I'm a bit less distracted than Anne. I really like sports and music. I'm not that organized, but I really like helping others.
Adam is a very good friend. He always has a solution for everything.
I just try to help. I also really like to cook. I'm not a professional chef, but my pasta is famous.
That's true. His pasta is delicious. Adam says he's not distracted. Distracted means not noticing some things.
It's true. Take note, friends.
Speaking of routines, Adam, what do you do on a normal day before recording our podcast?
Well, my routine is simple. First, I wake up at 7 in the morning. Then I drink a very large cup of coffee.
Coffee. I usually start by having a cup of tea to start my day.
Tea is also a very good option, Anne. Well, after drinking my coffee, I do a little exercise. I like to run in the park near my house.
Wow, what energy! I prefer something calmer. I wake up and read a bit while I have breakfast and look through this huge window full of clouds.
Reading is an excellent habit. What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I study for a bit. I like practicing new languages or researching science topics.
That's great. Me, after exercising, I check my agenda. An agenda is a notebook where you write down the important things you have to do today.
Exactly. An agenda helps us be organized. I also use a digital agenda on my phone.
After checking my agenda, I start working. And you, Anne, when do you start working?
I start working at 9. I usually work on my computer for a few hours, but I always take a break to play with my cat.
Taking a break is very important. A break means to stop working for a moment to relax and regain energy.
Yes, Adam. The break helps me have better ideas. After my break, sometimes I prepare the topics for our podcast. If it's podcast day, of course.
I do the same. At 6 in the evening, I finish working and listen to music. Music helps me end the day with happiness.
That's great. We have different routines, Adam, but we both really enjoy our work here.
You're right, Anne. And now that you know our routine, guys, how about you tell us in the comments what your routine is like?
Good idea, Adam. Take advantage of this pause to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It will help you find our channel at any time.
And we already know what we do during the day, but I have a question. What do you like to eat while we work?
What a good question, Adam. I like to eat fruit, especially apples. They are very fresh. And you?
I love sandwiches. A sandwich is bread with cheese, meat, or vegetables inside. It's a quick and delicious meal.
Sandwiches are practical and delicious. I love them. But I prefer something light sometimes.
I understand. Light is the opposite of heavy. It's a good word to learn today, too.
It's true. I also really like drinking warm water with a bit of lemon. It helps me be more focused.
Lemon water is very healthy.
Yes. Adam, besides food, what is your favorite weather for recording our podcast?
Oh, Anne, that's a very good question. Because I was just going to say that you chose an excellent time and season to start the mini podcasts.
You see, Adam, I'm a good interviewer and you're a good guest.
It's true. Well, I like the time you chose because we are in the middle of spring with warm weather and long days. Besides, we've already finished working and we can chat quietly while the evening breeze relaxes us.
You are absolutely right. Also, I like how you manage to communicate with simple words how relaxing it is to end the day with your friends as night falls. But tell me, Adam, why do you want to do this podcast?
I want to do this podcast because I like helping you with your projects.
Aw, see how sweet Adam is?
And I want people to learn English without stress, too. Stress is that feeling of nerves or worry that we sometimes have.
Well, stress is a big problem. I want this podcast to be a space of peace.
Me too. I hope many people all over the world hear our voices and feel confident speaking English.
What beautiful wishes! Confident or secure means that a person has trust in themselves and is not afraid.
That's right. We want everyone to feel secure here with us. Do you have any other wishes for the future of the podcast, Anne?
I wish for our community to grow a lot. I want to know the stories of the people who listen to us, and maybe in the future, grow our mini podcast with more guests.
That would be fantastic to help jump from beginner to intermediate level, Anne. Little by little, we're going to achieve it. I'm very excited for what's coming.
Me too, Adam. But now, I think it's time to review what we learned today.
Yes. Before we go, let's remember the most important words from today. Anne, do you remember them?
Yes. Cozy. A comfortable place where you like to be.
Launch. The official start of a project or product.
Distracted. not paying attention or not noticing things.
Agenda. A notebook or app to write down important tasks.
Break. Time to relax and regain energy.
Sandwich. Quick food with ingredients between two pieces of bread.
Light. Something gentle for the stomach. The opposite of heavy.
Healthy. Something good for the body and health.
Warm. Weather or an environment with a pleasant temperature. Not too cold, not too hot.
Breeze. A gentle and relaxing wind.
Stress. A feeling of nerves or worry.
Confident, secure. Having trust in yourself and not being afraid. And that's all for today. I loved sharing this time with you and with Anne. Don't forget that every new word is one more step on your path.
That's right. Practice calmly and enjoy the process. Remember that this is your space of peace to learn.
See you in the next episode to keep chatting.
Take care and happy learning.
Goodbye.